Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to delete all followers on Instagram. So let me tell you first that it is not available to delete all followers at once, but you can delete them one by one. So let me show you how you can do it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account. And then head over to the profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. Once you're there, you will find your profile and there will be your followers and following numbers just right beside your posts. So head over to the followers and here you'll find the people who follow your account. And from here, if you want to delete someone, you just have to tap on the cross icon just right beside there, right beside the follow back option. So once you do it, the individually each and all the followers will be deleted or removed. So as I don't want to remove my followers, so I'm just keeping them. But as you need to delete them, just tap on the cross and it will be deleted. Yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.